Hey, what's up, guys? I know the gratitude videos are kind of Christy's thing, and I'm not like trying to steal that from her, but I think there's enough room in this group for me to share some gratitude, so I just wanted to go live. I'm just getting back from the beach, had to stop at Best Buy to grab a few things, and on my way home, it's only like a 5-minute drive, so I just wanted to jump on here and share some gratitude. I've been back in Florida for about 2 weeks. And I honestly was kind of like, not dreading being back, but I was mentally prepared to do way more work and like way more stressful things than I'm currently doing. And the reason I'm telling you that is like the system that we've built is so fantastic for merch. It's just such a strong base for the rest of our business to be on top of. And I'm just really excited about that. I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to be with Steven. But just to see that our merch business is continuing to grow and run pretty steadily is just fantastic. Being on the road for that long, I was like really afraid of just like coming home. I was like, okay, it's going to be 16-hour days. We're going to be pounding away at this thing. But today, just feeling so fantastic that like I could go to the beach and I could relax and enjoy myself. I'm going to Best Buy and just buying stuff that's going to make business easier as far as like the hardware and things like that. So I just wanted to say that I'm so thankful not only for merch and that opportunity, but for this community as well. We definitely dug deeper into merch once we realized that like we could do another one of our passions, which is helping people. We love to help people, and we love to help people with merch specifically now. And so we've taken it a lot more seriously of like, not only just trying to figure out what works with us, but trying to figure out how we can help everybody with merch. We think it's a great place to start. It's a fantastic place to learn how to build the business and, how to grow from there. So to semi-promo what we're doing, we are offering basically a complete training on how we've built this base of a merch business for for all these other things that we're starting to launch into, KDP and private label and all that stuff. It really started with just a solid foundation of merch. And what we're doing is we're going to be teaching you guys how to do that in the Pre-Flight 2.0 live training. Another reason I feel fantastic today is I got to talk to like 3 or 4 new people about merch who never really heard about the opportunity, and I was just able to sit down with them, take a call, a few different ways that I talked to people today, and just said like, hey, this is what I've done, this is how I've been able to travel the last 7 months, and like have my freedom and really like get to dictate what my day looks like. It's through this opportunity, and it just like completely blew them away that this is the thing. We're working on getting them signed up and all of that, like just to see people excited about that, and then for me to explain to them like, they're asking if I've like how I've made my system and all that stuff. I was like, well, actually, we have this fantastic course that we're doing that I'd love for you to be in. So like getting a few new people to merch to, not buy into our system, but to get excited about our system, which is the Pre-Flight 2.0. It's just, I don't know, I feel really good today. So I just wanted to jump on here and let you guys know that I'm excited for not only the future, but just like the base that we've built, that working system we keep talking about. It's allowed me to do so many fantastic things, and I'm really excited about teaching it, because I feel over the last year we've just gotten way better at teaching. We've got way more comfortable doing things like this, like a live. If you asked me to do this a year ago, I'd be all over the place. Still a little bit all over the place. Not saying we're perfect at it yet, but just way more comfortable. Super excited just seeing people using this opportunity, having success. Christy, I think, just posted, that she has a pop socket that's selling for her every couple of days or multiple times a day. I didn't read the whole post. I was quickly glancing over it, but like, it's just so exciting to see people having success with what we're doing. And I couldn't be more excited to have it kind of all packaged together in 2.0. So if you guys are thinking about getting that, the price will go up Monday night, so definitely look at that Gumroad link. It's in the group. I'm driving, so I can't post that link for you guys right now, but there is a $50 discount off for my birthday. Again, we just want to help you guys. It's so fantastic that we have this community, and I want to give back in every way that I can. So giving you guys an extra $50 off the price that me and Steven landed on, with his approval, of course. It wasn't like I just said that, but super excited about that, super excited about the course, and even what's leading into next year. We hate talking about, like, we have this fantastic thing coming, but there is some really cool stuff coming in this group, and we want to, interact with you guys more, do more giveaways. We've got a lot of plans, but yeah, just excited, thankfully, for you guys. So hopefully everyone's having a great Saturday. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you guys on Merch Monday. Bye.